All right, so this is the pallet cover after it's been sewn or taped together. All right, we're going to start folding it up now. All right, go ahead, guys. Oh, Remy, you do not have to stay there now. Thanks, Remy. Now, this is critical, Jonathan. So where you fold here is important, right?
Yeah.
So you are not folding where the tape is.
Yeah, on one side I'm folding right where the tape is at.
Okay.
Or where the crease is at.
All right. One side is where the crease is at.
Okay.
And then on the other side, you fold farther out.
I put like about 4 fingers.
Yep.
And
So
then,
2 inches.
Yeah, about 2 inches.
50 millimeters, and then you fold there.
Yep.
And what that does is it allows you to have a space in the middle, right?
Yep.
Okay.
There's a gap right here. That way they can fit one on top of the other.
Okay.
And these right here are already done.
So they go like a puzzle together the opposite way. And then after you do that, you put something on top so they don't unfold, right?
Correct, yes.
And then here is the whole stack done.